virtuous souls. Let us determine in front of you that how much Kalyug has passed today. 12वें पंथ हम ही चलकर आवें, गॉड कबीर सेज आई विल कम माई सेल्फ, और सब पंथ मिटा के एक पंथ चलावें. ही फर्दर सेज प्रथम चरण कलयुग निर्याना, तब मगहर मंडो मैदाना. Here God has done a wonder. He says that the first stage of Kalyug will be when I perform a spectacle in Maghar, and I will descend from there with my body. So God performed that spectacle. In the first stage, now this middle generation has begun when 5500 years of Kalyug have passed. In 1997, 5500 years of Kalyug had passed. I have shown you in detail many times with calculation. Now what has been said next that 5505 तब ये वचन मेरा होगा सांचा. He further says that धर्मदास मोरी लाख दुहाई, ये मूल शब्द बाहर ना जाई. This बाहर ना जाई, do not disclose it. This is मूल ज्ञान, core knowledge. पवित्र ज्ञान तुम जग में बाखो, tell, but मूल ज्ञान तुम गुप्त ही राखो. गोई means secret. मूल ज्ञान जो बाहर पढ़ी, बिछली पीढ़ी वंश हंस नहीं तरही. 33 अरब ज्ञान हम बाखा, और मूल ज्ञान हमने गुप्त ही राखा. मूल ज्ञान तुम तब लग छुपाई, जब लग द्वादश पंथ मिट जाई. Now pious souls, let us now decide in front of you that how much Kalyug has passed recently. In the holy Hindu religion, a book written by the Sankaracharya is considered to be an authentic record, and from these only we will clarify how much Kalyug has passed. Please see. This is a book, Jyotirmay Jyotirmat. Here some description of it has been given. Jyotirmay Jyotirmat. Shri Swarupanand Saraswati Ji Maharaj. This is Swarupanand Ji, who is presently sitting on the native seat. Shri Swami, he is in charge of two mathas, Jyotish Peethadishwar and Dwarka Peeth. He is the in charge of these two mathas, Saraswati Ji. Now what is written here? This is editor, writer and compiler Vishnu Dutt Sharma, director Adhyatmik Utthan Mandal, Delhi. Source of inspiration Shri Subodhanand Brahmachari Ji, printers Fine Print and Packs. Look here, Akhil Bharatiya Adhyatmik Utthan Mandal, 1/3234, Gully number 2, Ramnagar, Vistar, Mandoli Road, Shahadra, Delhi. These are their phone numbers and facts. In these, see on its page number 11, concise biography of Adi Shankaracharya. Now what is written about it, that approximately 2500 years ago, Shankaracharya was born in the era of dwindling faith in Kerala on the coast of river Purna in Kaladi village in the family of devout Nambudri Shaiv Brahman, Sri Shiv Guru. Now see here, according to the mathas of Guru tradition, his birth, Shankaracharya was born by the blessing of God Shankar, therefore he was named Shankar. According to the mathas of Guru tradition, his Avirbhav Kal, that is the time of his birth, is considered to be 508 before Christ, 508 years prior to the birth of Jesus Christ. They have written, or 476 years, this is wrong. They should have not written, or because he had died at the age of 32 years, so if 32 is subtracted from 508, then 476 is left. So see here. So this is indicated here. So actually he was born 508 years prior to Jesus Christ. Alright. And if we calculate from today, from 2012, then Shankaracharya was born 20 years ago. Add 508 to 2012. So Shankaracharya was born 20 years ago from today. And at that time, how much Kalyug had passed? Let me show you. This book is Himalaya Tirth. This has also been written by the Shankaracharya on their orders. This is J.P. Namburi, Deputy Chief Executive Officer, Sri Badrinath Kedarnath Temple Committee. It has been published from here. These are all its. Publisher is Ranju Chakravarti, 76A by 1, Bamacharan Rai Road, Calcutta. Printer is Giri Print Services, Calcutta. Now, let us show on its page 42, on page 42. This is the prophecy about the birth of Shankaracharya. And there is some book called Shiv Rahasya, Mystery of Shiv. This is a verse from it. The translation of this verse has been done here. When 3000 years of Kali Yuga would have passed to gain victory over the philosophy of Buddhist monks, Shankaracharya, that is Shankar, will take birth in the form of a celibate. See again, when 3000 years of Kali Yuga would have passed, then Sri Shankaracharya will take birth. Pi souls, now we have to calculate how much Kali Yuga has passed today. 3000 plus 2520. Like Shankaracharya was born 508 years before Jesus Christ. If we will calculate from today, then 2520 years have passed today in 2012. And how much Kali Yuga had passed when he was born? 3000 years had passed. So add both of them. 3000 plus 2520. It becomes 5520 years. Now, when will it be? 5505. When we will reach in 2000, then 2000 years had passed since the birth of Jesus Christ. And 2508 years had passed since the birth of Shankaracharya. Meaning 5508 years of Kali Yuga had passed in the year 2000. Consider this. And if we move back and subtract 3 more in 1997, 5505 years of Kali Yuga had passed. And in 1997, God had met this Das. He had said that now the time has come. Disclose the Sarnam and the Satnam. Don't worry. Hail Satguru Dev.